Hello YouTube family, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nabeel Ahmad and welcome to my channel Code with Nabeel. So guys, here I am showing you the website which is made by on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can see this is a nav bar of our website, and the website name is Creative Studio. This is the small ideas and big ideas, small team and with big ideas. This is the Creative Studio website, and you can see if we scroll down, the nav bar will be showing you in white color, and like this animation you can see here. And this is our nav bar, and you can see the home page, about, services, portfolio, team, testimonials, blog and context, and these are the components. If we scroll my mouse on contactors, the color will be changed, and our services, if I scroll the button of our services, then you can see the color will be also changed. And this is the background, and if I move to about section, the color will be the color of the home page will be changed on the pink color, and about section of the about section, you can see this is the line of box which I create. And if we scroll my website, you can if I scroll my website, you can see the color will be changed, and the nav bar buttons will be showing you properly. This is our logo which is made by on Adobe Illustrator, and I recommend you, if you work on web designing, the Adobe Illustrator will be best on you. You can see if I scroll down, these are our studio things that we work on: UX UI designing, user interface, and web development, app designing, and so on. You can see we create awesome work, and these are our brief, not brief, and these are our basic intro. And you can see if we move the about section, you can see the color will be changed. If we move the about section, you can see the color will be changed. And this is our about section. You can see we what are the don't see: planning, working, makeup, develop and provide. These things we see. What other don't see, but we see. You can see make happens. You can see here that if we move our services, you can see the services button color will be changed, and the about button will be on the same color. You can see these are our services, debits, emits, and much more, because this is our Creative Studio website. And these are our services. These icon will be made on also the Figma designing, and you can see here, and this logos will be, these icons will be made on Figma designing. You can create an image easily on Figma designing, because this is the web development, and you can edit your design, edit your portfolio on Figma designing also as well. You can see these are our portfolios, and if I scroll my mouse on portfolio, the color of the portfolio will be changed. And this is our zoom and share the link I created on this. This is the basic picture which I add on this. These are the team of this website: Matthew Davis, Barbara Rose, and Karen Perry. These are our teams which made this website on by me. And this is the CEO and founder designer, because this is a client website on Fiverr, Upwork, and much more. You can see easily on this website. And these are our designers, app designers: Ashley Diaz, Edward Harris is developer, and Brian Scott is photographer. Because I told you that this is a creative studio, like photo shoot studio, videographic studio. And these are the links. You can see the Twitter, Discord, and Facebook, and much more. You can see these are our testimonials also as well. But before the testimonials, we have the 100 plus awards won, and happy clients are 100 plus, and 845 project we completed, and 15k comment. on our reviews. You can see this is our testimonials, and Richard Drab and John D, the client, uh, who is the photographer also is as well. You can see if I move forward, the background picture will be showing you in light, and the background picture didn't move, but I move my um, scrolling, the background picture will be showing you and clearly. And you can see this is the basic, not a basic, this is a professional web designing person, and this is a professional thing which I created on this website. uh, you can see, if you watch the video, if you watch any creative studio, you can see link on this website by a harif command, because I don't have any video, whoever the client said, but the client told me that you can put a video on it. You can see see our intro video, and also these are our blogs. You can see the blog section will be showing you on pink color, dark pink color. This is our blogs, and this is our feeds which I showing you, and these are our contact us form. You can see this is our contact us form, this is our location, this is our phone number, email address, and example.com, and available 24/7. Get in touch. You can enter your email password and message us. You can see the picture of the footer side, the background picture of the footer side. This is our about us, and copyright by 2023. And you can see about services portfolio, useful links. These I show you, which I show you previously. And this is our contact info. You can contact on this website by this info. These are the our useful links: Facebook, Twitter, Google, and Pixel, and Insta, and also as well. So what are the reviews about this website which I made on HTML, CSS, JavaScript? And kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And what are the reviews? Kindly share your reviews in comment box. Thanks a lot. On the next video, very next video, I will show you another website which is also creative and also responsive by using a code of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I will showing you the jQuery code. I will show you the React.js code, and I will show you the website by WordPresses and much more. Kindly comment your reviews, and comment the things which I created on by which coding, using Python, using backend development, using front end development, and jQuery and AngularJS and or React.js. By whom you want to see the website on by whom you want to see the website, by which language. You can comment your reviews, and also comment your questions as well as. And I will send you the code by comment your email, by your email and your drive link. I will send you the drive link also as well. So guys, if you want this website, then share your reviews and comment your email. I will send you by the driving of the code of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So thanks a lot, and in the very next class, inshallah, I will come tomorrow with the very next class, and showing you the great website. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.